Three friends and a fisherman. A large pond has many fishes living in it. Of all these fishes, three are best friends who are always together. They never leave the side of each other. One day a fisherman comes to this pond, seeing lots of fishes. He invites other fishermen to cast nets. The three fishes worry about getting caught and killed by the fisherman. The wise fish amongst them says, "We must find another pond and quickly move from here." While one fish agrees, the other one is reluctant, as he feels that this pond is their home. He says, "We should not behave cowardly. This pond is our home." The other two fish try hard to convince their friend, but they fail. So they decide to part ways and leave in search of a new pond. On the following day, when the fishermen arrive, the fish who was unwilling to leave gets caught and dies. Always look at the bigger picture and let go of temporary attachments in crisis situations.